Welcome to ABB's HR Connect, a web series which podcasts the employability skills requirement from various industry experts organized by HR Club of Acharya Bangalore Business School. Welcome you to ABB's HR Connect. Today among our midst we have Mrs. Nimisha Chatterjee, HR Business Partner at Clean Harbors. Welcome you, ma'am. She is a versatile global HR leader with more than 12 years of rich experience in different roles of HR in various organizations. Ma'am, please tell us, what are the job openings that are available for the graduates and management students in environmental, energy and industrial service industry?
Okay, great. Thank you for having me here, first of all. And we talk about the for the graduates and more management graduates. There are multiple. This is an industry which is now moving up because we all have become very conservative towards the environment and energy, right? So unlike any other industry, we do have a program manager, we do have environmental, technical or data analyst, we have energy specialist. So these are some of the opportunities which are there for the graduates, and it basically involves with how passionate, first is definitely how passionate you are, and if at all there are certain degrees or certifications are there. If not, the students can also go for certain courses or certain projects which the companies are looking forward to give it to the fresh graduates. So these are some of the things which they get involved.
Can you please suggest some of the certifications, because management students don't have this kind of exposures normally. So if you have said that, it would be good for them.
There are, I'm not able to recollect, but then you have something on environmental sustainability. There are certifications which is available. So those are the ones which you can go.
So the sustainable industry is taking the world by storm. So there are around 10 million jobs. In future, it has been predicted that 24 million jobs are it's going to be there. So what is your suggestion the students can equip these skills so that they can be part of that?
Great. So most importantly, we have your, the technical skills. Then you have your science-based skill. When I talk about science-based, it is more of your innovation, okay? And you have your operation skills, because the environmental, because it also involves about your data. So how equipped you are or you can become with data, because it involves, because now the technology, what we are into is, it involves everything about data. So how competent you are into data analysis, how competent you are into the innovation or bringing an impact, assessing the risk management. These are some of the things which would help in developing the skills.
Out of your experience, can you please say what are the skills are really required for the management students to excel in their career?
The first and the most important thing is communication. That's very, very important. The second thing I would say is about your people management skill, because whether you are going to be an individual contributor, you are going to lead a team, and I'm sure all the graduates who are fresh graduates, they are going to be the tomorrow's business leaders or HR leaders or marketing leaders, right? So communication and people management is something really important. Never stop the learning process, so continuous learning plays an important role. And fourth is be agile.
Be agile. Okay. Out of curiosity, I'm asking this since you are part of HR. What you really looks into the candidate, especially the freshers?
In the freshers, the first thing what matters to me is definitely about the attitude. And when I talk about attitude, it's more on the positivity, the positive mindset they are bringing. The learnability quotient matters a lot. So in my view, I would say that these are the two things which in terms of behavior aspects or the attitude aspects. But yes, of course, based on a certain job requirement, we need to see for the aptitude what they are fit for the technical skills.
Wonderful to talk to you. Thank you so much for joining today.
Thank you. Thanks a lot for having me.